Morning. How are you all doing? Welcome back to our online class. 10th class. Hope you all are understanding the lesson. We'll start today our 6th lesson, reproduction, part 1. Every human being reproduces, isn't it? Every living thing, plants, animals, one by one we are going to see the process and the methods of reproduction. One of the first method in our lesson is conjugation. Conjugation is a process by which one bacterium transfers genetic material to another through direct contact. During conjugation, one bacterium serves as donor of genetic material and the other serves as the recipient. The donor bacterium carries a DNA sequence called fertility factor or F factor. Bacterial conjugation is one of the three major known modes of genetic exchange between bacteria, the other two being transduction and bacterial transformation. One of these three modes, conjugation, is the only one that involves cell to cell contact. The steps of bacterial conjugation are mating, pair formation, conjugal DNA synthesis, DNA transfer, and maturation. Adenosine, the bacterial conjugation is the ability for one bacteria to transfer genetic material to another via a physical bridge between the cells. Conjugation is used in nature to share beneficial genetic material between bacteria, such as antibiotic resistance. Reproduction or procreation or breeding. Reproduction is the biological process by which new individual organism offspring are produced from their parents. Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all known life. Each individual organism exists as a result of reproduction. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction are the two types. Asexual reproduction includes fission, budding, fragmentation, and parthenogenesis, while sexual reproduction is achieved through the combination of reproductive cells from two individuals. What are the key terms we'll see today? Methods of reproduction, asexual and sexual. In asexual reproduction, first will be the fission, then we'll go to budding for today. What happens in fission? In the sexual reproduction, a haploid sperm from the male parent fertilizes a haploid egg from the female parent to produce which is called diploid zygote. Zygote is a technical term for a fertilized egg. There are two types of reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. This process is very important in maintaining the stability in the ecosystem and for continuation of life on earth. What is the difference between sexual and asexual reproduction? We'll see the difference here. In sexual reproduction, sperm fertilizes egg itself. It is used by animals, flowering plants, and fungi, and few animals like sponges. Whereas offsprings are different from parents. Okay, in asexual, single organism makes an exact copy of itself. Fungi, bacteria, and some plants and animals are the examples. Offsprings are identical to parents in asexual. Paramecium is an organism which reproduces asexually by binary fission. See in the diagram. During asexual reproduction, the macronucleus, bigger one, macro means macronucleus splits by a type of amitosis, and micronucleus nuclei undergoes mitosis. The cell then divides transversely, and each new cell obtains a copy of micronucleus and macronucleus. The reproduction in amoeba is different from the paramecium. The amoeba exhibits reproduction by binary fission. The paramecium exhibits sexual reproduction by the process called conjugation. The locomotion mechanism by amoeba is by pseudopodia, and in paramecium it is by the formation of bacterial colony in the milk. How the curd is formed? Take a teaspoon of curd and mix it thoroughly with around 30 ml teaspoon of or half a glass of lukewarm water in a bowl. Take another teaspoon of curd and mix it with 30 teaspoons of cold milk in another bowl. Curdling indicates that the increase in the number of bacteria. As the bacteria consumes the nutrients, they begin to grow and multiply. This generates thousands to millions to billions of cells that begin to pile up, become visible to the naked eye. This pile of cells originate from one cell, and that is called bacteria. The asexual mode of reproduction. It is a type of reproduction that does not involve the fusion of gametes or changes in the number of chromosomes. The offspring that arise by asexual reproduction, either from a single cell or from a multicellular organism, inherit the genes of their single parent. Some of the asexual methods are binary fission, example amoeba, bacteria, whereas for budding it is hydra, example. Next is fragmentation, example is planaria, spore formation, example ferns, and vegetative propagation, it is seen in onion. Result for fission in bacteria and paramecium. Paramecium reproduces asexually by binary fission. During this reproduction, the macronucleus splits by a type of amitosis, and micronuclei undergo mitosis. Cell then divides transversely. Okay, got it, children? And each new cell obtains a copy of the micronucleus macronucleus. Paramecium are ciliated unicellular organisms. Paramecium are heterotrophs. Their common form of prey is bacteria. A single organism has the ability to eat 5,000 bacteria a day. Got it, children? What is bacterial binary fission? It is a process that bacteria use to carry out cell division. When cells divide by mitosis in the body of a multicellular organism, they cause the organism to grow larger or replace the old worn out cells with the new ones. The micronucleus is a storage site for the germline genetic material of the organism. It gives rise to macronucleus, and it is responsible for the genetic reorganization that occurs during conjugation, the cross fertilization. Next is what is binary fission, children. It is the division of parent body into two equal daughter individuals by mitosis. Is it clear? Example amoeba, euglena, and paramecium. What is multiple fission? It is division of parent organism into several, multiple, many means many daughter individuals. Example is amoeba and plasmodium here. Multiple fission at a cellular level occurs in many protists, examples sporozoans and algae. The nucleus of the parent cell divides several times by amitosis, producing several nuclei. The cytoplasm then separates, creating multi. In the sexual reproduction, a haploid sperm from the male parent fertilizes. We'll conclude the lesson with the homework for today. First one is explain conjugation with example. Clear, children? Next is draw and explain binary fission in amoeba. Thank you. See you all in the next class. Submit the homeworks by 5 in the evening. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.